So the images that you've been seeing on the screen are images of a small lathi charge near the press club area that's just a little distance away from me. It's nothing very significant. The numbers are growing large. There was one policeman who was actually injured, who was moving away from this particular area, but the images that we've been bringing you are of that small lathi charge which took place a short distance from here, and that area has been further reinforced to prevent protesters from coming into this area. So it's somewhat more tense than what it's been this morning. It was not very active in terms of these protests earlier on, primarily because of the rains, but it stopped raining now for quite some time, and the numbers continue to grow over here. There are 4 or 5 entrances in this particular area. All of these have been blockaded off. So the numbers over here behind me also, if my camera person can just show or the police presence in this particular area, that seems to be growing as well. And that barricade is now going to be possibly threatened if the numbers increase. So what the police actually do is try and push the barricade back, prevent people from coming in. Let's go straight across to NDTV's Sonal Mehrotra, who joins me now for more on this. Sonal, where exactly are you? What have you seen?
Vishnu, as we've been saying, that there are 6 roads which lead to the roundabout where you are standing. On one of the barricades between Press Club and Shastri Bhavan, one of the barricades which you've seen the maximum number of supporters turn in. The supporters got very violent. They were pelting stones at the police, and now a few of them have also been lathi charged. As I speak with you, the police is drawing them away to the side, trying to tell them that they will not be allowed to cross the barricade under any circumstance. And as we speak, the SSB has also been formed with lathis and their guards in hand. They're all moving and preparing. They've formed about 3 levels of barricading here. One level seems to have been broken at this point. They've been able to stop the protesters at the second point. So we'll have to wait and watch if the protesters get more aggressive. We also tried to speak with the Aam Aadmi Party volunteer here who has said that if these are the people, if they're turning violent, then they're not our men. They're saying it's a strategy by the political parties really to give this entire protest a violent move which gives police a free hand to evacuate them from this area. That's what the Aam Aadmi Party is saying, but clearly people wearing Aam Aadmi Party caps, I have seen them, they were pelting stones at the police and they were very angry. Remember, this is just yesterday.